Friday, FriYAY, the 27th of January. Chrissy was with me all day today. Her kids didn't have school, so we worked like little beavers today. Got in lots of new stuff and put some stuff out. So it's been a great, fun day, and the sun shone. Life is good. So let me show you this. Now, this is something new I found that I think are kind of cool, different, good price point. So anyway, I thought I'd try it. So I have 5 of these in 5 different colors. So let me show you. I think these are very cool. They are made in Italy from a Spanish company, actually, but they're made in Italy, and they're called the carpet bag. What? I think they are amazing, and literally they are made out of cotton carpets. This is all cotton. It's a great giant tote. Simple, has beautiful leather handles with these gold grommets, so it's nice and sturdy. It's not too huge. Great weekender. A great giant project bag. A great, oh my gosh, let me shove some things in here bag. It's just a great bag. And it's $59.95. $59.95. How fun is that? A conversation piece, right? That's the base. I think they're cool, and they're not heavy. And like I said, they're cotton, made out of cotton rugs. Love it. So this is the green one. Then we have the taupe one. Beautiful, right? The fringe tends to hang on the inside, but if you flop it over, hangs on the outside. Anyway, it's crazy, but it's fun. A good conversation piece. I'm all about a good conversation piece. So that was the taupe. Here's the black. Love the black. Very cool, right? Told you, giant. No pockets on the inside, just great storage space. Blue, look at this beautiful blue. What? Perfect. Love it. Blue, and last but not least, pink. For all you pink people out there. I think these are very fun and very cool and a great conversation piece and very utilitarian. So there you go. All right, that's Holly stepping out, trying something new. Oh well, it's all good. What did I hear today? Anything important? I don't know. I don't think so. I am always happy to have you guys and love to have you come and sit and knit and keep us busy. Thank you so much. We are working hard on our Last Resort and Spa Sunday retreat, February 26th. It's a Sunday, last Sunday in February, and it's $250, but it's a day of indulgent pleasures for yourself. So it's time to treat yourself. It's from 10 in the morning until 4 in the afternoon. The Last Resort and Spa is all about fixing mistakes and things that you didn't know you needed to know. Like, how do you, if you're working on a cable sweater and all of a sudden you look and see that one of the cables is going the wrong way. How do you fix that without ripping out everything? What? It's fixable. All kinds of other tricks and tips about fixing mistakes that you didn't think were necessarily fixable. So lunch included, of course, mimosas and snacks. I think we're going to have either yoga or mindful meditation session. Always a shoulder massage. And discount with shopping. Bring a friend. There are 12 spaces, which means there are only 6 spaces left. And you get a swag bag to die for, right? All right? Don't let that pass you by. All right, I will see you tomorrow.